Welcome to the AI Advisory Group SharePoint site for the UAB School of Nursing. I'm Chris Hickman, and I quickly want to show you how this site is designed to hopefully make your life a little easier. Whether you're just curious about artificial intelligence or if you're looking for specific teaching tools, this is your central hub. Our aim is simple: to give nursing faculty and staff a one-stop location to access the best AI resources, support updates, and success stories, all tailored to the unique needs of the UAB School of Nursing. Consider this your launch pad for exploring how AI can support your teaching, your research, and your everyday work. So what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to show you the AI Advisory Group SharePoint site, and we're going to walk through the different elements of it. So as we're looking through the website, the first thing you'll notice on the top left corner is an announcements section. If you're not sure how to get started with AI, we've created a Getting Started with AI toolkit for the School of Nursing. All you need to do is click on it. It'll take you to a separate page that gives you a introduction video, how to get started. It gives you a quick reference guide that you can use, exploring more with various short form videos that we've created, and then keeping track of the AI Advisory Group website. It provides best practices for you to use, as well as help and resources with some frequently asked questions and ways to contact us should you have any questions. And then what would be your next step? How can you get started? So choose the tool. There is a 10-minute daily AI routine that you could follow in the quick reference guide, and there's our email address again. So save this page to make sure that you return to it should you have any further questions. But overall, the AI Advisory Group site is meant to be intuitive for you to navigate. So over here on the left, we have a few pages with some information. For instance, the School of Nursing Certificate in AI that's still in process. If you're curious about what's going on there, you can visit that. Some case studies that we've got, some files that we've uploaded, of course, a recycle bin. So as we get into the main area of the SharePoint site, we have a news section here, and I try to keep this regularly updated with news articles that I've found that pertain specifically to faculty and staff at the School of Nursing or to areas of AI in general, so that they're not necessarily overly technical. So if you're interested in some of the latest news, feel free to come out and check this out. As we move over, any upcoming events like our next third Thursday shows up here. Anything else I may have coming up or may be coming up within the School of Nursing or within UAB that has something to do with AI will be listed here. We have a listing of published articles if you're interested in seeing those. The AI webinars that we've recorded. So the third Thursday, all the sessions are here. You click on this, it'll show you a full listing of them. There's clinical pearls, there's coffee in the collaboratory, so those are there. I've also provided some quick links if you're interested in knowing about all the guidelines that are available. We just recently published the UAB School of Nursing AI guidelines. Those are linked here. Nursing informatics information, AI use in graduate research, the university's overall update on AI, and what the university's guidelines are. They're all linked here. And then also we have a listing of quick hit videos that you can go in, and you'll notice I put the times after all the video names so that you know, okay, I've got 10 minutes. Let me go out and watch a video on the components of AI. If you're interested in knowing what the different elements of the artificial intelligence umbrella might be, spend 5.5 minutes looking at that video and they'll explain it. So as we move back over, we have the tools that are available for UAB. If you're interested in learning more about these, you can click on the various tiles. So if you're interested in, say, Adobe Firefly, you click on that. It'll take you out to the location where you can find out more information from the university about using Adobe Firefly. And we'll step back here a moment. And then the very last thing down at the bottom, Matthew Jennings and I are co-chairs of the AI Advisory Group. These are ways that you can get in contact with us. But all the way back up to the top, to start very simply, just click on Getting Started with AI. That will get you started with everything that you need to know just to understand how to think about using AI. What are the tools that I can use? I'm not sure even where to start. What should I do? So they getting started with AI toolkit will give you that information. It'll also give you resources, the email address for you to contact us, and how you can get more assistance. So please feel free to reach out. We're always happy to talk about topics around AI and how we can use these technologies to help make your work easier and more efficient.